It's good, everybody. Um, it has been a while, been a month on the dot today since I've posted anything on social media or done anything on social media. What I'm gonna start doing is doing weekly reviews, checking in with you guys, because I know a lot of you have been messaging me and just trying to stay, I guess, like on track with what I'm doing. Um, but yeah, like I guess I'm just gonna do a weekly review here, because I know a lot of you are kind of like wondering like where is he? What's going on? Like, I've been doing good. I'm not gonna show like any of like my P&L stuff, but just know I've been doing good. I still haven't gotten my first payout yet, but that should be coming pretty soon here. Um, but yeah, guys, like it's been good. Like I've been using Notion to basically journal everything. Um, Nothing's on here first. Oh, it's because it's interesting. Yeah, but I've been using Notion to journal everything. The good stuff. It's been good. Um, so I mean, yeah, it's been good. Everything journaled to a T. I mean, everything on here. Um, pretty clean stuff, which is nice. But yeah, let's get into the weekly review and what I think is gonna happen this upcoming week. I'm just gonna mark this out real quick. So Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. So yeah, the 26th, 26 on Monday. Boom. Okay. Cool. So now we have that. So start on the day, Monday. Like I'm not gonna look too much into it, because it was like bank holiday. So like to me, that's kind of like irrelevant. Just because yeah, like nothing like too much happened besides we had SMT London Low for shorts. But yeah, I'm not gonna worry too much about that. But I will go to Tuesday here and I'll go to my journal as well, and kind of show you guys like what happened. So Tuesday, my pre-market bias was I was bearish, because London manipulated above these highs, and I was basically like looking for shorts into a discount of this range. So like in my opinion, like really clear and obvious draw, for um, what happened to happen. Like it's pretty clear. So like right here, like we turtle souped. Boom. We swept out these highs over here, and like I'm like literally like just plain and obvious looking for shorts into I wouldn't even use that range, but I guess you could. But yeah, I was looking for shorts, um, because we manipulated a target here for this range, like pretty simple, like just the discount of this range. Um, I wanted to see these lows get swept, but we already rebalanced price and displaced higher, so not really a point for that to happen. That's why we didn't. These are basically protected lows. Like we rebalanced price, displaced up, hourly CST, like all the above. So not really like a reason for us to go back down and get those lows. I really thought we were going to. I'm pretty sure in my journal I put, yeah, I thought these lows were gonna get swept. But yeah, these were protected lows. But yeah, like I'll kind of show you like trade execution. What happened on Tuesday? Basically, pretty simple. Market open. We had a fair value gap, and we tapped into it for shorts. Like yeah, it went basically straight into there. But this was my execution here. So this trade was actually done in pre-market. This was actually my first like winning pre-market trade that I ever took, and I'll show you guys basically what it was. But like nothing like too crazy and abnormal. But I was basically just I wanted these highs to get swept right here, and we also like inside of that, inside of those highs. Where are you? We had a 15-minute imbalance right here. So I'm basically looking for shorts off of that turtle soup into the discounted area with the fair value gap. Like nothing like too overcomplicated, in my opinion. Like it was plain and simple. Um, like it wasn't anything too crazy. It was a pre-market trade that I took, and it's literally just off a turtle soup. Like the trade was this. It was an hourly CISD, 1 minute CISD right here, and like close below it. Like enter off this candle retracement back into it, and we wicked off of it. My like shorts, like I had my take profit like right at discount. So like pretty simple day on Tuesday. Pretty nice day on Tuesday. Wednesday, we'll go to Wednesday. Wednesday was pretty bad. I was like kind of wrong. So basically, like my pre-market bias, I was bullish. I was basically just looking for all this buy side to get swept. And I kind of expected us. This is a daily fair value gap, and I was basically just expecting us to kind of like reverse off of it. And like yeah, it was so like this is what Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday right here. So yeah, I was basically looking um for longs, and yeah, I mean, I missed a couple things. First off, we swept this like turtle soup to like a T. And off that, like you could have taken shorts, and I like missed that actually now looking at it, like completely missed that. But we swept it out like to a T, and we wicked off of it. Um, and yeah, I mean, we went down, and I'll kind of draw this out. So we wicked off of it. We had this range here, and like hit discount. I missed that actually. So I was at the doctor's office, um, and yeah, I didn't really do that, but you could have basically taken shorts into longs um, for this trade. But now that I'm looking at it, I think it actually. So yeah, let's go to market open on this day, just kind of show you guys what happened fully. Oh wow, new week opening gap, cool. Um, where are we? Yeah, so FOMC minutes at 2. Okay. So yeah, basically, like this is turtle soup right here. I actually shorted for some reason. I was at the doctor's office, like it was hard for me to really see, but I longed off this first presented and like got cooked. I thought we were gonna go higher, but instead we turtle souped and like we were bearish. Like missed that, wasn't on my computer, like whatever. But yeah, pretty clean day. Like looking at it on the hourly, you could have taken shorts basically, um, into like this discounted area, like pretty clean looking at it. And then we had a 10 a.m. Not a 10 a.m. We had a reversal. Um, but yeah, I mean that was pretty clean. I was bullish into those highs, and there was a pretty sure, yeah, it was a daily fair value gap right here that I had drawn out. But yeah, Thursday, the cleanest day in my opinion, like the cleanest day, like without a doubt. Um, Thursday, so my pre-market bias, like I was like really bearish into like this like imbalance basically, and then I wanted to see us like pump up. I was expecting shallow retracements, but a couple things that I failed to realize in this area. What makes sense? So on the daily, we sweep out all of these highs. We never close above it. Like same thing on the 4 hour. We sweep out these highs. It's a 4 hour imbalance. We never close above it on the daily. We wick off of it on a Wednesday. So keep that in mind. Or sorry, where? 28th, 29th, 30th. Yeah, on a Wednesday. And we reverse on a Wednesday. So clear and obvious, like midweek reversal. Like failed to realize that. So off of that, I should have like been only looking for shorts. Um, so this is where my turtle soup came. I'll just show you guys. So like pre-market bias, I was bearish. Reasoning, I just showed you guys. Basically looking for shorts, midweek reversal, made 100 million% sense. I'm pretty sure I just targeted like the discount. Like this low should have made sense. Good learning lesson, but this low makes more sense than this discount because if it's midweek reversal, we're just going to completely expand after. But yeah, I was wrong here. We went for this actually. But I'm just going to show you what we did. So this is my trade idea execution pre-market. We swept out that buy side into an hourly fair value gap, turtle souped it, wicked through it, 1 minute CSD. I mean, same thing. Like there's two entries here. There's three actually. 1 minute CSD, market structure shift fair value gap, which I entered off of, and then order block entry. Like there's so many entries here. And guess what I did? It dumped. Like great trade, but guess what? I closed out early because we disrespected the CE of this fair value gap, and I did not like how we were closing pre-market. I kind of expected pre-market to resweep this high, and we dumped, and I was a little bit sad after. I should have realized this CSD and order block was our last form of protection. Failed to realize that we dumped. It's fine though. Why? Because my bias was so strongly bearish. first presentation fair value gap right here, enter here, take profit hit, like really, really quickly, and I'll show you guys kind of what happened. Where's that turtle soup at? 9. Whoa. That's Friday, sorry. Let me go to the 29th. Here we go. Yeah, right here. So this is entry. Like pretty simple. Like first presented fair value gap right here. Boom, entry, and like yeah, like dumped right after. So like great trade. Friday, I don't really like want to look into it too much because it was just like for me at least it's hard to trade. I should have been bearish because if it's a midweek reversal, Thursday and Friday have to expand. Like if it's a true midweek reversal, they should be expanding. And yeah, I think I have a picture in here. What, the 30th? Let's see. 30th. Yeah, so I was bullish, I'm pretty sure. One sec. Wait, that's. Hold up, sorry guys. Um, oh, PM. Oh yeah, so I actually didn't even. Okay, whatever. Um, it's fine. It's not a big deal. But yeah, basically, I was bullish because I wanted to see a retracement into this hourly fair value gap off of sweeping this low, and we actually like didn't do that at all. Um, it was kind of hard to trade, I guess. Like it was a weird day for sure, but like if you go to the 1 minute, um, like shorts like made sense here. Um, expecting like a more of an expansion down. Like you could have taken longs like market open, or shorts, sorry. So like we inversed like this 1 minute right here that we made pre-market. So now we're looking for shorts, and like I mean this is like pretty obvious here. Um, like first presentation fair value gap, like shorts down to like this this low down here inside of this range, internal low, and like yeah, like that's really all I saw on Friday. But now let's get into like what I'm looking for this week. Um, and like it's like pretty obvious in my opinion. Like we're definitely gonna be bearish. We swept out all those daily highs, hit a daily fair value gap. Like this is like my target. Like if we go to the weekly here, weekly, like we're respecting the CE of this fair value gap right here. We wicked off of it. Bodies are getting respected by the CE. Wicks are doing the damage. Now I'm basically looking for this low to get swept, and inside of that low we have a weekly fair value gap, and I'm basically just expecting bullishness off of there. Like it's pretty simple. That's like what I'm looking for this week. Just look for this low to like take shorts into this low, off this low, maybe even this low as well. Like look for longs off of it. But yeah, guys, again, thank you guys for tuning in. Just wanted to do a weekly recap, show you guys what's been popping, and kind of show you guys what I'm looking for this upcoming week. Yeah, I will see you all guys maybe in a week or so. But yeah, be safe. Peace.